Sam and Lily were best friends and loved to play together. Their favorite thing was racing during playtime at school. One day, their teacher, Ms. Rosie, announced, "Next week, we will have a big running race in the park. The winner gets a shiny gold medal." Sam and Lily were very excited. "We must practice every day to win," said Sam. The next morning, Sam was in a hurry. For breakfast, he grabbed a chocolate pastry and a sugary soda from the kitchen. "This is yummy and gives me energy," he thought. At school, during practice, something strange happened. Sam started running fast, but very quickly, he felt tired. His energy disappeared, and he had to stop and catch his breath. Lily, who ate a bowl of oatmeal and a banana for breakfast, kept running smoothly and won the practice race. Sam was confused. "Why am I so tired, Lily? I thought my breakfast was full of energy." Lily smiled kindly. "Maybe it's the wrong kind of energy, Sam. My mom says some food is always food and some is sometimes food. Always food is like fuel for a car. It makes you strong, helps you run fast, and keeps you healthy. It gives you long-lasting energy. Fruits and vegetables, like apples, bananas, carrots, and spinach. They are like superheroes that protect you from getting sick. Proteins, like eggs, chicken, beans, and nuts. They build strong muscles for running and playing. Whole grains, like oatmeal, whole wheat bread, and brown rice. They give you power that lasts for a long time. Sometimes food is like putting the wrong fuel in a car. It tastes yummy, but makes you sluggish and tired after a short time. It's okay to have a little sometimes, but not every day. Sugary drinks, like soda and packaged juice, they have too much sugar. Candy chips and cookies, they don't have the good things your body needs to grow strong. Fried food, like French fries and burgers from fast food places. Too much can make your heart unhealthy. Sam decided to try. The next day, he ate scrambled eggs and an apple for breakfast. He drank a glass of milk. At school, he felt amazing. He had so much energy. He and Lily raced, and it was the closest race ever. Both of them crossed the finish line together, laughing and full of energy. On the day of the big race, both Sam and Lily ate a healthy breakfast. They ran their best race ever. Sam came second, and Lily came first. Ms. Rosie gave Lily the gold medal, and Sam a silver medal. But Sam didn't feel sad. He felt proud and strong. He had learned that healthy food didn't just make him win races. It made him feel great all day long. From that day on, Sam always chose more always food and saved the sometimes food for special treats. He was stronger, happier, and full of energy.